He looks like a dog.
Give me some. Give me some. Give me a treat.
I'm all scared until we get that one.
They're all treat.
At the pig farm.
Hips on that one. Like a...
Go that way.
I can't. She's in the way.
So you can see more of them.
Hey, this one's fucking there. There's a cute one here. Nice.
Look at that fatso.
How much time I got mine?
Oink, 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 oink.
I can't get my film to advance, so I guess I didn't get it in there. It smells like pig.
Yeah.
Look at this fat one over there.
Look at this fat butt on this one.
Look at it over there.
You fatso.
Look at this one there. Look at that big one. Jeez.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's full grown.
You could get a lot of bacon off of that
Oh,
one.
well, I'll say. Look so loose. Legs. Thighs. Oh, that's another 12, whatever that is. I'm fine. Like in the belly. It's been a long time since I've been on this.
What's your
Look
name?
at this cute one.
What's your name, big guy?
This is Reagan Stapleton's life the other day. He got his head caught under the gate, and he was strangling to death. And she lifted it up.
She saved him.
Saved him. Okay. Oh, that's a little baby. That's Ray Reagan's friend. She saved his life.